Hi everyone! Today's practice is a gentle evening flow to release stress and tension, breathe deeply, and replenish the body with good energy. Stand up nice and tall and relax your whole body. Feel your feet flat on the ground. Relax your neck and shoulders. And lengthen through your spine so the crown of the head is reaching upwards. Then go ahead and rub your hands together until they feel nice and warm. Then take that warmth to the back of your hand. Then change hands and do the same on the other side. Dry wash your hands, taking that warmth all around. Then rub your hand around your wrist and applying a little pressure, massage the wrist and the points located there. Then go ahead and change hands. So with your hands nice and warm, massage your face. Relax the muscle of the face. Relax your forehead and between your eyebrows. Relax and soften your jaw. And with your fingers, slide back, massaging the head. This exercise called dragons running through the forest. It's very good for headaches or releasing pressure from the head. Then go ahead and knock on your chest, focusing primarily on the center line. Then go ahead and tap your arm. Go down on the inside and slowly come up on the outside, tapping the back of the shoulder. One more time. Go down and slowly come up. Come back to the chest and do the same on the other side. Come back to the chest, then raise your arm up and tap gently. Then go ahead and tap the side of the body all the way down to your hip bone. Release and do the same on the other side. First, knock on your arm, then go down and tap the side of the body. And relax your hands by the side. Take a moment here to notice how you feel. Any sensations are welcome. Then to relax the upper body, we're gonna do twist and turn. Relax your neck and shoulders and let your arms naturally follow the body. Soften your knees and get grounded through your feet. Become aware of your entire body as you turn from side to side. Slow down and come back to center. From here, bring your feet together. We're gonna squat down, get comfortable, relax your lower back, and gently tap your knees. Become aware of your entire lower body. Feel your feet connected to the ground. Then release the position and relax. We go again. Squat down and tap. Make sure your lower back stays nice and relaxed. Use the strength of your legs to support your body. Release the position and relax the muscles of the legs. Let me show you the side view. So the key for this exercise is to relax your lower back as much as you can and use the muscles of the legs to build strength and stability in the lower body. Then release the position. Feel a pleasant warmth that begin to spread all around your legs. We do one more. Go down and tap. Then release the position and relax. Then go ahead and tap the sides of your legs. Come up on the inside, tap the hip bones, then go ahead, tap the top of the glutes, go down, tap the knees, ankles, and slowly come up. Very good. Relax and do a few bounce off movements to shake off stress and tension, to loosen up and feel good in your body. Breathe in as you go up. Breathe out as you drop gently. Very good. Shake off your legs, rub your hands together. And now we're going to do some breathing exercise to open the chest and lungs. Move your hands in. Inhale through the nose, raise your hands up. Exhale softly through the sides, relaxing your shoulders, your elbows, and your fingers last. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Become aware of your chest, ribs, and your belly. Every time you inhale, open and expand. Every time you exhale, relax your neck and shoulders and soften. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. Take a moment here to notice how you feel, especially your chest and your ribs. Then go ahead and inhale through the side, opening and expanding your body even more. Exhale, expelling all air out from your lungs. Inhale, go up. Open, open, open. Exhale, cleanse and purge, releasing stagnant chi from your lungs. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out, relaxing and softening your whole body. Take a moment here to notice how you feel, especially in your chest and your ribs. The next movement is called the fountain. Take a nice full breath in, turn your hands, and exhale forward. Inhale, slowly raise up, open your chest to the sky, look up, exhale down. The key element here is to use the strength of your legs to go down. Keep your lower back as relaxed as possible. Release any tension from your upper back and find ease and comfort in the movement. Inhale as you go. Exhale forward. Find your rhythm and allow your breath to match the movement. Every time you inhale, lift and expand the body. Every time you exhale, soften and relax. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Find softness and fluidity in your upper body. Same time, feel the strength and stability in your lower body. One more time. Nice full breath at the top. Then let your arms flow down the center, relaxing and softening the whole body. Take a moment here to notice how you feel. Then go ahead and take a nice full breath and gather in the soothing energy around you. And this time, let your arms flow down the center, washing over your entire body. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Let your whole body breathe in. Exhale. Let your breath flow down your entire body. Last one here. Breathe in. And breathe out. Then guide your hands down to your lower abdomen and let them relax by the side. And I like to finish this routine with a few bouncing exercises, again, to soften, to loosen up, to release any tension if you hold any. Shake off your legs and tap your head gently. Lots of breathing, we don't want it to get to the head. It's always nice to finish your practice with gentle tapping and stroking the body. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you feel nice and relaxed. Enjoy the rest of your day and goodbye.